There are total costs and there are unit costs. In the example of an enterprise that transport bottles from the warehouse to different retail outlets, where the variable costs are the fuel costs and the fixed costs are insurance costs, and when we calculate the cost per kilometer for fuel, it is for 20,000 kilometers. The cost of fuel 20,000 into 15 cents plus the fixed cost 6,000 insurance, 9,000 total, and the cost per kilometer is 45 cents. And in the second scenario of 30,000 kilometers is 30,000 into 15 cents plus 6,000. The total cost is 10,500. Cost per kilometer is 35 cents. When we look at the total cost and the number of units, what we can see is the fixed cost does not change with the volume of production or the number of kilometers that's been covered in the distribution by the truck. The insurance cost does not change, but the petrol cost keeps changing. It keeps increasing with more distance that's been covered by the truck. So there are two aspects here. One is we can look at the total cost. That's the fixed cost plus variable cost. You also can look at per unit cost, that if we are transferring or transporting bottles, products as bottles, and then how much does it cost per kilometer? So the question here is, what should the managers focus on? Should they focus on the total cost or the unit cost? The answer to this is, managers should focus on the total cost, because if they focus on the unit cost only, then they will disregard or they will not pay too much attention to fixed costs, assuming fixed costs as given, and they may not look at ways of decreasing fixed costs, which should be done because it has to decrease over the longer period.